Is your iPhone battery draining way too fast? Then you need to watch this video because Apple never really tells you about these hidden settings that constantly run in the background, drain your battery, waste mobile data, and can even affect your privacy. And the crazy part is, most people never turn these settings off. So in this video, I'll show you the exact iPhone settings you should disable right now to improve battery life, protect battery health, and make your iPhone last much longer throughout the day. So let's fix your iPhone battery right now. First, open your iPhone settings apps, go to General, then tap AirPlay and Continuity. Here, disable the features you don't actually use. Some continuity features constantly look for nearby Apple devices like Macs, iPads, AirPods, and Apple TVs in the background. Even though you don't notice it, this background scanning slowly drains your battery over time. So if you don't use features like handoff or AirPlay regularly, turning them off can help reduce unnecessary battery drain and improve standby battery life. Now let's fix one of the biggest battery killers on iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, scroll down and open Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to refresh and update content even when you're not using them. That means social media apps, shopping apps, games, and many other apps keep running silently in the background all day. And over time, that constantly drains your battery. Here's what I recommend. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need constant updates. Apps like games, shopping apps, food delivery apps, and most social media apps can safely be disabled. But keep it enabled for important apps like WhatsApp, messaging apps, or email apps if you rely on instant updates. This setting alone can noticeably improve battery life. Open Settings, scroll all the way down, and tap on Privacy and Security. Then Location Services. Now check your apps one by one. For most apps, set location access to while using the app. And for apps that don't really need your location, select Never. A lot of apps continuously access your location in the background, and GPS usage consumes a significant amount of battery. So limiting location access not only improves battery life, but also gives you better privacy and security. Now, go to Privacy and Security, then Location Services, scroll down to System Services, and tap it. And disable networking and wireless if you don't need it. This setting allows your iPhone to continuously search for nearby Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices in the background. And all that background scanning can slowly impact battery life. Turning it off can help reduce unnecessary background activity and improve battery backup. And finally, open Settings. Go to Battery, scroll down, and then tap on Charging, and enable optimized battery charging. This is one of the most important settings for maintaining long-term battery health. Your iPhone learns your charging routine and slows charging after 80% when needed to reduce battery stress. And that helps your battery stay healthier for much longer. Avoid iPhone overheating. This is one of the biggest things that destroys battery health long term. Heat is the enemy of lithium batteries. So avoid gaming while charging, avoid leaving your iPhone in direct sunlight, and try not to use cheap wireless chargers that overheat your phone. So yeah, these are some of the best iPhone settings you should change right now if you want better battery life and better battery health. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your iPhone friends because most people still don't know about these hidden battery draining settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more useful iPhone tips and tricks.